Hi, my name is Vilas West Hansen. I'm the first vice president in Doubly Network. It's a new kind of e-commerce, and the experts expect Doubly to be a new big company on the internet. You can be a part of that because Doubly share their earnings with the people that generate the customer database. Let's go and take a look. Google, Yahoo, eBay. You know all the big players. If you make a search result, if several people make the same search, you will get the same search result because the capital are controlling this. It's differently in the future, and Doubly are the leading company in this change. In Doubly you will have a personalized search result, and if you go to a shop and buy something, you will have a cashback in average on 5% after 45 days. That's faster, that's easier, that's very attractive. There is a part with auctions, and it's only top brand mark products for sale on the auction with full warranty. There is a best price guarantee, not only in your country, but on the whole continent. And even then, do the customer lower the price on express auction. And on unique auction, you need to have the lowest unique bid. And the product is sold for incredible prices. Also very attractive. Entertainment. There is different areas. There is one with music, one with movie, audiobook, ebooks, games. Then you can buy access in a flat rate for each area. Think about it, for example, in movie. You can decide yourself when you want to see it, how much you want to see movies, and where. You can see it on computer or television or whatever. I'll give you a question. Do you still want the TV station to decide which movie you want to see and when, or do you just want to decide it yourself? That's entertainment in the future. There is made an application for the smartphones. It means that Doubly is out in all over the world on all the languages which smartphones support. And in this Doubly universe, there is no spam at all. You will be offered to watch a commercial, but take a look here what happens if you get an offer to see an advertisement. The customer get paid to view the commercials. The money can they use on the auction or in the entertainment part. And they will only get offered commercial where they have their interest, simply because Doubly know their customers. But let's take a short view. There is an auction part with best price guarantee on top brand mark product. Do you like that? There's a shopping part where you get cash back when you go from Doubly instead of one of the other ways. Would you like to have cash back? There is entertainment part where you can decide yourself which movie and when and how much you want to see instead of the TV station. Do you believe you and the customer like that? And if you see commercial, you get paid for that. For people that understand this, it's clear that this is a huge economic in the future. And the expert do also expect Doubly to be the major in the future. You can be a part of it because Doubly pay out a part of their earnings to the people that generate the customer database. Think about the situation. If you have been given the same opportunity when Facebook started out, then would you sit and earn a huge amount of money today and in the years to come? And it's actually what Doubly offer you. Doubly is created by a Dane, and today a public listed company in the USA. You have been given some information from a customer point of view. You can take advantage of Doubly. By helping them creating their customer database, you can create a huge business for yourself, where you can earn a lot of money the years to come. We know exactly what to do, and step by step we will teach you. Feel free to contact us and we will give you more information. Think about how it would be to wake up in 2 years' time and have seen it, but haven't started to take advantages of this amazing company. Thank you for listening, and good luck. Bye-bye.